Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We're heading out for a cycle today. Probably going to cycle up to the reservoir, up the River Dee, and following from that we'll go up to Hazelhead Park, and there's a big woodlands behind there, so we'll have a explore and see what we can find. So let's go.
So as you can see, we're now at the reservoir.
We've made it out to Countesswell Woodland at the back of Hazelhead Park. I'm going to cycle around here and explore it a little bit and then cycle back through Hazelhead Park. That's it. So that was just some of the trails here at Countesswell Woods. We're heading back towards the river now. We're going to skip going through Hazelhead Park because it's quite busy, but back down to the river, back home. Nice little rowing. There's some Highland cattle, fluff balls. Hold up. Yeah, I know. I don't like them either. There's a buzzard up there. Read the sign, kids. Keep off the grass. I love the traditional stone walling. I actually used to do a bit of this for a friend, because that was his company. Back-breaking work, but it's nice in the summer to be outside. Stay tuned for more Countesswell videos coming soon. Back into Aberdeen, so I'll see you next time. Thanks for tuning in.